My name is Ray, and I'm at Transwest in Belton, Missouri, just south of Kansas City. And today I got the privilege of showing you the 2023 Newmar Aire 3547. Now, what's so special about this floor plan is the first time they're introducing the bath and a half to the Aire. Newmar was listening to the customers. They loved the length of the Aire, but they were really missing that half bathroom. Well, now you have it. All your prayers have been answered, right? So, follow me here. You're still getting the power that you expect out of the Aire. It's on a Spartan chassis with the 450 horsepower. You would still have all the cameras that you would expect, the luxury seating, both driver and passenger had heated. You get the two-tone look of the dark and the beige. So again, just the things that you come to like about the Aire, you're still having strong in 2023. As we walk over into the living quarters here, you'll see the theater seating. Standard is a 74-inch sofa. Here you see the theater seating. I also believe that recliners are also available on this. Theater seating, as you can see, is very comfortable. Across the way, you'll notice the dinette. Now, the dinette has a great feature of being able to extend. You'll find the leaves underneath the bed of the Aire, and so it allows you to entertain with chairs. It had two-headed chairs, and the leaves make it very easy to entertain when you have people over. Across from me also, you'll see the televator, which is very easily controlled by the touchscreens that you find in almost every wall of the Aire. The other thing that you're able to control are your shades. Click here just by hitting home and then going to systems. This would allow you to do the TV lift. So again, what's really nice too is when you press that button, you don't have to hold it down the whole time while the TV is making its way up. You just have to press it one time and the TV simply starts to make its way up. So that's a nice little feature there. And as I was also saying, it's very easy to manipulate the shades as well. So right now we have the nighttime shades down. If I click it, they come up. One of the reasons why I wanted to bring up these shades for you is so that you could take a look at these bonded panoramic windows. The natural light that these allow to come in just give you a nice experience inside the Aire. Actually, let me get this TV out of the way. Again, just simply as hitting the button. But again, you get so much natural light in here. It just gives it a nice, clean look along with the LED lights. And here you've got a mirror on the side that just gives, again, a clean, classy look. Right now, I believe this wood is with a gloss. So again, that shine, I just can't say enough about it. It just gives it an awesome look. Speaking of looks, you've got the ultra polished, soft tabletop or countertop here. The countertop is actually the same thing you're going to see throughout the coach. So this style is going to be here. It's going to be in your living room. It's going to be in your bedroom. It's going to be in your bathroom. Again, giving you clean lines when showing off your coach. The big window in the kitchen, again, gives you that bus feel, bus look, plenty of space. Things that you come to expect from the Aire is you've got that black, big bowl sink, very deep. So again, it makes it really easy to get your stuff done in the kitchen. I know a lot of people spend the majority of their time in the kitchen, so they definitely giving you the space you need to be able to enjoy that time. Again, this is an all-electric coach, so you have your induction stove. This is true induction, so any pot that's iron or metal, if a magnet sticks to it, this is going to work on it. Another feature that's awesome with this is that it is removable. You can take it outside. You can enjoy it with your outdoor television, with your cooler underneath, and just enjoy yourself outside, cooking some bacon so you don't stick up the whole coach, right? Or fish if you're a fisherman. In the Aire, you're going to find that you have Samsung appliances. This is the microwave, nice and big, convection oven, plenty of room to be able to cook meals here. Again, I know a lot of people spend a lot of time in the kitchen. You want to be able to have the resources you need to be able to entertain the way you want to. You're also going to see the Samsung refrigerator that is locked. Samsung refrigerator, which is, I'm not even messing with this one. There we go. Samsung refrigerator, quite roomy, big, plenty of space for food, even if you're entertaining. One of the really nice things that you have with the Samsung is that you're also going to be given UFC, what are those called? QVC codes? What are those? QR codes, thank you. We'll edit all this out about. One of the nice things that you have with the Samsung refrigerator is that you're going to get the QR code, and all you have to do is take your phone, match it to it, and then you're allowed to adjust temperature and keep track of that refrigerator with your phone. And speaking of ease of control and information, you now have the Silverleaf 10-inch control pad on the new Aire. With that, you'll be able to see your tank levels. You can control your HV, your power, manage your generator. Again, everything at the touch of a button, making sure that your coach is operating to its full potential and that things are moving smoothly for you. Now, this is what you really want to look at in this new 3547, which is the half bath. The half bath, again, you've got that polished countertop. They've got the sunken bowl, which I think gives you just a little bit more counter space than the other styles. You've got some utilities here, some storage, and you also have some plugs here in case you need a hair blower or hair dryer and things like that. You'll be able to connect those there. So again, and also there's an egress door behind the toilet. So obviously it's there for emergencies, but also it's able to be removable and put right back up. So you can actually use this as a point of being able to bring things into the coach that you may not want to have to bring in through the front. So again, that's just a privilege that you have with the Newmars, with that egress door allowing you to use that at will and not just in emergencies or a one-time use, giving you the chance to be able to make it a little bit easier to move your things in. Again, you'll notice the polish finish in the bedroom. Now, I can't give you without taking, right? So you're used to the king size bed in these new Aires, but with that half bathroom, now it's going to be a queen size bed. Still plenty of room for couples, still have ledge room. You still have your plugs for any machines or alarm clocks that you need with you. Got great windows back here to again bring in some nice natural light. And then you've got plenty of storage above, because in RVs, storage is king, right? So you got plenty of storage above in the bedrooms. You've got your storage here you got your hookups for your television. Again, that's a great size television for in the bedroom. You've got about 6 drawers underneath here. So again, plenty of places to put the things that you need, but that's not even the best part. Let me go and show you in the bedroom, or in the bathroom, I should say. This closet here, again, gives you plenty of space, clean look, great lighting. It's got a safe as well in here. So again, with storage being king in RVs, you're getting plenty of all you need in such a short package. A washer dryer here. So again, you're not losing any amenities that you would expect from a new Aire in this floor model. Again, plenty of storage. Nice low sink. Again, allowing you to have plenty of counter space, storage, and your shower. Shower has plenty of space. I'm not the biggest guy, but I fit inside, slide in. And then you can't mention our shower miser, such a huge and game changer. It allows you to basically run water to hit the temperature that you like without losing that water. You hit a button, it actually runs it right back into the back into your water tank, down into your gray tank. and then when the temperature's ready, you hit a button and it'll start going to the gray tank. Because I don't know about you, but usually like my wife lets it run for like 10 minutes before she jumps in the shower because it's not hot enough. So again, this is a look at the new Aire, the 2023 new Aire 3547 with a half bath. If you have any questions or want to know more about the coach, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information will be down below. Thank you for spending this time with me.